Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm Jade if you haven't been here before, and today it's just having a quick look at what is new in my wardrobe. So hopefully, understandably, I haven't spent as much on clothes this year as I usually would. I can overspend on them sometimes, I will totally admit. But this year I've definitely more focused on what I actually need in my wardrobe, with the expense of the house. And then obviously we've got our lovely kitty who's lovely, but sadly he has actually had a few health issues. So we have ended up spending a lot more money than anticipated, and that's kind of set some stuff back with the house as well, like changing things that we want to get changed. And therefore I can't really justify buying clothes that I don't need really. I am trying to aim on more what is completely missing from my wardrobe and what would benefit me. So this is kind of like my new in for autumn haul for you. A lot of these pieces are found in places like TJ/TK Maxx, Marshalls, Nordstrom, things like that. So you might not easily find all of these, but I will link everything I can below. But hopefully like the style will just, give you some inspiration if we can't find the exact items. But I will link everything I can below, and then I'll find some similar things to list as well, just in case you are looking for anything like this. So without further ado, let's get on. And the first thing I'm going to show you is actually this cardigan that I am wearing. There's a few cardigans in this haul. The weather here changes quite drastically. It can be like really cold in the morning and then really warm in the afternoon, especially spring and autumn seasons here. So cardigans are kind of like a must, and I do have a few, but I kind of realized I was definitely lacking, especially like warmer ones. So that's where I felt like I needed to invest my money, was in like cardigans that I actually really like wearing, that I really like the look of. So this was one of the purchases. I just loved the color. I love that it has like the piping, and then it has these really pretty sort of silver buttons. Let me see if I can show you a little closer. But you see what I mean? Like these diamante little flower buttons. It also has them here, like on these like faux pockets. Yeah, and then it is like that at the bottom. I will stand up and show you properly in a second. But it is from a brand called Laundry. I got it in Marshalls. I will see if I can find it and link it below, because it is so warm. Now it is just cheaper material, so it's not expensive. I can't remember how much I paid for it, like maybe like $25, which for my UK viewers is honestly only, I think, about 19-20 pounds. So it is like only polyester and stuff, but I don't mind it so much with jumpers and cardigans, because I can put like a cotton t-shirt underneath and I just feel like, it's okay. It's a bit like, you're always wanting, things to have like cotton lining is better. So yeah, this is that. Let me get up and show you what it looks like more on my full body and style it a little bit so you can see it properly. Okay, just so you can see a better view of the cardigan on, this is it. I just love it. It maybe is a tiny bit snug around my boob area, but I did try on the medium and it was just way too big down here. So for me, it just looks a lot better in this size small that I picked it up in. But yeah, because it's stretchy, you definitely can get away with getting like a smaller size. It's just, you have to think about the boobs. Mine are UK double D, if that helps you any. But yeah, I have worn it with these leggings to make it like quite a comfy but nice outfit. I feel like casual but nice. So yeah, these leggings are from H&M, but they are 2 seasons ago, I think. And they're like flared at the bottom. Sorry, I can't really show you that very well. And then I paired them with my white Charles & Keith handbag. It's like quilted handbag, because I felt like anything beige or brown would have been too matchy, and there are white threads in this cardigan, so it kind of works. With the cardigan, I would say it is really warm. It is really comfortable. It looks like it could be really itchy. The look of it really does. Like when I looked at it in the store, I was like, oh, I don't know. But it is not at all itchy. It is super comfy, super warm, and I really love it. Okay, so I've decided, may as well just stick with the cardigan theme. I'll show you the cardigans first, and if you're not interested in cardigans, you can skip forward and see what else I have got. This is the next one, which I also got in Marshalls. I just think this is really, really cute. I love a white cardi because it's going to go with many things. So white and black cardigans I always find are very useful in your wardrobe. But I really like this. I don't know how well you can see in the camera, but it's kind of got that like sort of crochet kind of style material. It probably has a more specific name. And if you know it, please comment it below because I'm not that well versed in my knit types. But I just think this is really cute. The buttons are also this really sort of like shimmery, like pearlescent, but it does have a tinge of pink in it, which I thought were really pretty. It just adds like a little something. And I do have quite a lot of like pink things in my wardrobe, so I thought that would just add like a nice little girly twist. I mean, it's quite girly anyway, but just having like the slight pink tint on the buttons just made it all that more girly. So that is the next cardigan, so let me show you it on. Oh, and it's by a brand called Joey. I haven't heard of it. I don't know if it is you know, popular in the US. I have no idea, but let me show you it on. So this is this cardigan on. I also love this one. Obviously it's not gonna be quite as warm because it's that crochet, so it kind of has those like holes in it, is the best way I can describe it. So it does like kind of let the air through a little bit. I have left on my H&M leggings with this one because I do think it looks quite cute. I have paired a little pink handbag. This one's from Lipsy London, old design. But yeah, because it has obviously the little pink on the buttons, I just think it kind of picks up quite well. I don't love the pink bag with the leggings though. I think maybe I would change these, but overall I still think it looks cute. Would I wear the cardigan and the leggings together? Yes. I love these leggings just because they're so comfortable. Like, sure, I could look a little bit more put together, and I do think like a cute little skirt would look really nice with this. And you know, you could definitely just wear jeans as well. And the final cardigan of this haul is this one, which I also picked up in Marshalls for $25, it would seem. I will list what sizes and everything I got down below because I think it was slightly different for a lot of these items. Yeah, this is probably going to remind you a little bit of the first one, the one I'm wearing. But obviously a very different colorway. I do love this kind of style, you know, slightly, I guess you could call it slightly preppy or whatever. But yeah, I kind of really want a white one with black piping. I've wanted one for ages, but I haven't found one that I think works for me, that really suits me, or that I'd want to spend as much as it'd cost to invest in it. Like, I haven't found one that I really liked. But this one is this beige with the black piping, and I still think this is really pretty. It's also a little bit different because I feel like quite a lot of people have the white with the black. So I really like this. It also has these really beautiful buttons that are like gold with little faux pearls on. I think they're stunning. So yeah, this is the final one I picked up. So let's try this one on too. So I love this cardigan. Again, not at all itchy. I just think it is really cute. I do love that it's the beige with the black. I think the buttons are stunning. They have white on them, so I felt like you could match a little bit of white. Do I love this? I don't know, but I think it looks cute. I think there's definitely things I could wear it with on the bottom half that would look better. I'm currently just wearing some normal denim jeans, but I still think that looks cute. I think you can totally wear it, but I do think there would be things that would look a lot nicer, like a nice little black skirt would look amazing. I only have a boucle one right now, and I felt like it would be too much like of the similar material, but I would love to get a new black skirt because my old one broke. I think I may have said I got this from Marshalls, but I didn't. This one is a TJ Maxx buy. Okay, next is this beautiful blazer, which I also got in Marshalls. It is an Anne Klein blazer. So I can't talk today. It originally retailed at $149, but I picked it up for, what did I get it for? I got it for $35, and it is stunning. It is this like tweed material, and it has got glitter running through it. I don't know how well that shows on the camera, but it does have shimmery gold glitter threads running through it. And it's just like this quite long line sort of blazer. I do have one a little bit similar, but it's not boucle, and it just doesn't have the glitter. Like, this is like a nicer version of the jacket I already own, basically. And I just really, really love this, so I had to pick this up. So let's see this one on. Sorry if I changed angle a little bit. My camera was full, so just deleted some space, and now we're gonna carry on. Before we try the jacket on, let me show you another item I got. which is this cute little black Kate Spade dome bag. Now you might be thinking, she said she's only been buying what she needed, so cardigans were practical, right? But this is a practical buy for me because my regular like go-to small little black handbag sadly broke. It was just a really old cheap one from H&M. So I decided I may as well replace it with something that will hopefully last me a lot longer. And so I did get this one, but I did pick up in the sale this Kate Spade bag. I just thought I may as well get something that should last me. There are quite a few different type of Kate Spade dome bags out there, so I will definitely be able to link one, I'm almost certain. This one is the Hilly. So as I said, I got this in the sale. I will see what I can find and link it below. But yeah, this is my new little go-to black handbag. Okay, so this is the jacket on. I just love the style of it. I also have generally been buying a lot more crop stuff lately, so it's quite nice to go back to something long for when I feel like something a bit different. I don't love the combination, by the way, with the leggings. The reason I am wearing them is I think I would actually pair these with a dark jean, like probably black, honestly. But I got mine covered in bleach. So I need to get some more, so I can't show you with them. I just have a white t-shirt underneath. But yeah, I love it. I think it fits really well. What I will say is it doesn't do up, like it's not designed to. There's nothing to fix it closed. So it is designed to stay open, but that's how I'd wear it anyway. The only thing I really wish it had is pockets. Because my other jacket, like my not boucle version that's kind of similar to this, has pockets and I love them, and that is my only criticism with this one, but I do really like it. And then, you know, paired with the little Kate Spade bag, I think I had like little black jeans as well. I think it looked really cute. Okay, next is an item that I got from Nordstrom Rack. I really liked this for some reason. I just love the color, so that's definitely what made me pick it up. And it is this coat. It is a Michael Kors coat. If I'm honest, like I do have quite a few Michael Kors bags. I don't really go for many clothes because I don't really like having like the brand. But I just loved the color of this coat and it kind of stood out to me before I even knew it was Michael Kors. And I could do with some more actual like, you know, actual sort of puffy warm coats, because from what I gather, our winters here in Kansas are going to get really cold. I do have a really warm coat, but I could do with just some extra, and this one feels like it will be pretty warm but not like sweating. And obviously most of the time you're going to be driving somewhere and just going inside, but yeah, I thought this would be a good addition to my wardrobe to add to sort of like my warmer coats that I could actually wear in the rain, because that's the trouble. I do have quite a lot of coats, but most of them aren't very rain practical, which is kind of stupid of me, really. So this is kind of a practical buy for the winter. So let's see what this looks like on. Okay, so this is the coat on and it's so cozy and warm, and I just, as I said, I just love this color. Champagne is what they call it. Let me show you it done up so you can see that. So yeah, this is it done up, and I don't know, there's just something about it I really like. So yeah, a good bargain in Nordstrom Rack. I will see if I can find it or link something similar, but perfect practical item for the winter. Okay, and then the final item that I've added to my wardrobe, I guess wasn't as needed, but I actually realized because the weather is like warmer here, we have like longer summers, and our kind of fall has been generally rather summer weather. I kind of realized that I actually do really lack just sort of like nice dresses that actually fit me comfortably. So I found this and I picked this up because I thought it was a beautiful floral dress, but also the color of the florals make it kind of very good vibes for fall. And I feel like apart from my long sleeve like Another Stories dress, I don't really have any that sort of give full vibes that, you know, kind of work in warmer weather as well. So when I saw this, I just thought this was really pretty. So I did pick this up. This is from Francesca's, which is like a boutique store style in the US, but I will try and find something similar in to link for the UK viewers. But yeah, let me show you this one. Okay, and this is the dress on. I just love it. What I will say about Francesca's is their sizing is slightly on the smaller side. So this is a medium, and it's not uncomfortably tight because it's elasticated, but I will say for some of their designs I would definitely need a large. I tried a few things on there in a medium, and this one fit like quite nicely because of the elastication. Ones that didn't have elastic, no, I would have needed a large. So just keep that in mind. It kind of reminds me of Zara sizes. That's probably how I would liken it to. But I just think this is so pretty. I love the little puff on the sleeves. Obviously I would like have a nice necklace and a nice handbag and whatever. I haven't fully styled these items for you, just because I'm doing this with what I have to hand right now without searching too much. I still need to unpack stuff for the winter. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, just so you can see it, I just think it's really cute. Okay, that is everything that I've added to my wardrobe recently. There's a few more things that I definitely need to get. I am thinking of heading to the mall probably this week, and maybe I'll take you with me. Maybe we can do a bit of a vlog, kind of what do I end up buying at the mall. I'm going for like Christmas shopping as well, not just like clothes for me. I really do need to try and stick to like what I need in my wardrobe. I do need a new pair of jeans because my just normal denim ones just aren't fitting me very well anymore. So I could really do with like finding some that actually fit me really nicely. So maybe that will be something I do. I don't know, maybe I'll take you with me, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just do a this is what I also bought video, and maybe I'll do a wish list like I did last year. Some things from last year will probably still be on it. But yeah, maybe I'll do like an update what I want in my autumn winter wardrobe this year. You know, it might be slightly different just because I've heard we get a lot of snow here, and so I've definitely got to be a bit more practical with my buys than maybe in the UK, because the UK, like, our weather's just never that extreme, whereas, you know, here in the US it kind of is. So, you know, it might change. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll take you with them all. I'm not sure what's going to come next fashion wise, but something else will come along, and you will get another vlog scene for the moving vlog. It's just, as I mentioned, just a lot going on with the cat and everything like that. So everything's sort of just like taking a back seat right now, but I definitely got a few things to update you. Like I keep mentioning my office space. It's not completely finished and it probably won't be for a while, but it's almost done and I can basically give you a tour of it. So hopefully I will bring that to you sometime soon, but I hope you enjoyed seeing these. I will link what I can, and if not, list similar items, and I will see you again real soon. Bye!